the balloon in the cool water. It didn't puff out. Now let's put the bottle again inside the hot water. Do you see the balloon? Again it puffed up. Let's put again the bottle inside the cold water. Now it didn't puff up. Well, now I will tell the reason why we put hot water, it puffed up. When we put the hot water, the bottle will heat. Inside bottle, it will be air too. The air will also heat, then the balloon will puff up. We put the bottle in the cold water means the bottle will not heat. The air will not heat, but it fell down. Do you know the reason?